Hey everybody, Ryan here from Android Coliseum, here to do an unboxing of something under wraps. This is the brand new Google Pixel 7a. So I'm going to quickly compare that to the 6a that's out there in the world already, and we'll take a look. So looks very much the same. We also have a case for it, and I'm hoping they change the case. Not really, but oh well. So let's take a look at what comes in the 7a. Now, the more interesting thing is this year in the 7A, there's really not a lot of sacrifice in the phone in terms of it's going to have QI, it's going to have a bunch of that stuff that between the 7A and the 7, there's not much difference. Fingerprint sensor, camera, it's got the same Tensor 2 chip that the 7 has. Let's take a look at what else is in the box. So we also have basically a USB-C cable. We have the SIM puller there, and probably a little bit of manual. So take a look at that. Let's see the case as well. How we open this case. So a lot of very environmentally friendly packaging. I like that case look actually. It's not that transparent. The buttons stand out. That is pretty cool. That is pretty cool. Okay. So in terms of the way it stacks up against the 6A, you can see it's got the 2 cameras in there as well. The size is going to be pretty well identical. Let's see if we've got any juice on this. Yeah, pretty well identical. Pretty nice looking device. Obviously, we're going to wait for some more news from Google about it, and then I'll have myself a full review for you, everybody. Thanks. Ciao.